Oh, it's called Diesel. Goats and Diesel. Ahoy. There's no goats upstairs. You can go upstairs, but the goats are downstairs.
Not here.
They're in there.
In there.
And he was holding one. You don't want to go in and see the goats? But she's holding a goat?
Have we?
Yeah.
Open it.
It just slides.
There's no place to go. Everybody's blocking all the entrances and exits. Hi.
No, you're perfect. No, would you like to hold it?
Oh, yes.
Would you like?
Oh my God, no.
Apparently they started a trend. Hi, camera. Look, it's got a camera.
Oh my God, look, you have a little hat on. You're my favorite person I've ever met. And by person, I mean goat.
Hi, goat.
Oh my God, do you want to hold him?
You can hold him. They have enough for everybody.
Oh my God.
Oh, he's looking for a bottle or something. Hi, sweet baby. Oh, there's goats everywhere.
Yep, I got you. That's clean up on aisle one. We got taken care of.
All right.
Would you like to hold the goats? Oh,
They're very liberal with their handling of goats.
You want that one outside?
Now I gotta hold the camera. You said you can't do this. Holding a goat. What if it poops?
And then it poops.
It's a work shirt.
Careful. Got him, get his leg.
Hi, goat.
Good gracious. Is it on?
Is the goat on? Yeah, you're pointing. What's that? What is that?
Oh my God, these poor goats are like, please.
Get it close.
Oh my God. Zoom.
Zoomy, zoomy. You want to get down, Mr. Goat?
He could. Somebody else can take a goat turn. Yeah. Sorry, excuse me.
Delicate passing of goat to a stranger, a female,
Oh, let's get a cocktail.
attempting not to touch something.
I need my money.
Good. Those are going to be perfect.
Oh, look at this one.
So cute. Oh my goodness, look at the outfit.
Oh, she got a dress on.
A dress. Do you want
No, I'm good for now.
you want a drink?
No, I'm fine for the moment. Maybe a bottle of water. Goats and goats. Goats and boats. Goats and boats. Goats and boats. So they're in here because climate controlled in here. Jason was concerned. He was like, but goats can jump and climb. And I was like, I'm sure they have measures in place. They've been doing this for years and they haven't reported a goat overboard yet.
Oh, good gracious.
Oh, look. Do you want a Rudy Narwhal?
If they had a goat doll, I would.
I'm going to show my mom.
They might. Yeah, the goat is a common Atlantic aquatic animal.
Look at the one with the mermaid. Hey, y'all. And we have all of a mermaid margarita and a bottle of water if you have one. Thanks.
What do you want for that? Oh, look, we got pins. You want a pin?
No.
This one looks like you.
Oh, I like this one. Can I get this here too?
Sure.
Okay, I'll have that.
Do you want Dramamine?
No, I'm fine.
Anything else? 34, please.
How much?
Huh?
How much was it?
31. I got multiple.
Need a little bag for that?
No, it's okay. Okay, thank you.
Alright, here's Rachel making out with a goat.
Oh my God, we are.
Oh my gosh.
We're in love.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, he
This
loves
is
to give kisses and
Colby.
he loves to be held.
I love
He is just a lover.
Hi, Colby.
You're so cute. Ooh. All right, it's
He's just
okay.
getting readjusted.
There you go. Feel good?
That one's
Careful, the drink's right there. Careful. Look at this leg.
Is this your tummy? Is this your toes? Goat toes. Goat nose.
Oh my god. He likes foam, so.
Ahoy!
Ahoy, mateys.
So the boat does move, right? It's not just like...
It's not time to go.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's only 6:20.
Yeah.
It's not time yet, Mr. Goat.
Ahoy.
Ahoy. Hi, Grace.
He's much happier like this.
Hi, Grace. You want that hat off?
And Ash and Colby are going to be 250 to 300.
Wow.
And they're going to be as tall as my shoulder. So they're
And they're gonna make this horrible noise. Like a
He's so happy right now.
Can you make that noise?
Not yet.
These are all dairy goats. And
I love your cheese work.
Grace will give me a half a gallon of milk a day. And then Ash will give me up to 2 gallons of milk a day. Unless she's so tired.
Colby will give about half an ounce of milk at a time after a vigorous working.
Oh no.
Very thick, foamy
awake?
milk. No, he's sleeping.
Is he?
Yeah, you put him to sleep.
Oh my god.
You bored him.
No, I'm rocking him.
You made a goat so bored it went to sleep.
He's happy.
Colby.
No, don't wake him up. He's snoring. I can feel it.
Can you hear it?
I can feel it.
There's the sun. I probably just burned out the camera. I want a snow cone, but I know I should not eat that for sure. I might have a hot dog. A delicious hot dog. So where are we?
Goats on a boat.
But with who?
Goats.
No,
Me.
the place. Rudy Tours.
Rudy Inlet.
Rudy Tours.
Rudy Tours.
So we're here doing boats and goats.
And we've
That's the
also
goat.
done, we highly
There's the
recommend
boat.
Booze Cruise.
And Booze Cruise
Yeah, it's
with
really
Rudy
fun.
Tours.
Because he's still sleeping.
He is still sleeping.
Oh my god, he's asleep.
You bored him so much. This is the most bored goat ever.
Oh my god. He loves me.
So we are on the Rudy Flipper today, which is the biggest boat in their fleet. So we hear all the time that there's nothing to do in Virginia.
Yeah, people do say that a lot.
And if you think there's nothing to do in Virginia, you're just not looking hard enough.
You don't know how to use Google.
You don't know how to use Google.
It's the internet, if anybody's wondering.
There's a lot of kayaks over there.
I guess it's all the people who live in the condominiums.
Yeah.
Kayak holder.
Oh, there's a black one. Look at him. This is Colby. This is Sleepy, actually. He's asleep.
There's one downside to that. They might cut the grass. There's a byproduct. But it's 100% organic. Yeah, it's good fertilizer. Gonna go make the rounds?
Professional goat snuggler.
Right there. Oh, that's your goat? No, that's my favorite.
It's a boat race. He's winning. I said it's a boat race and he's winning. I meant he's beating us. We're full of goats. There's a bird down there.
Oh, I didn't record it.
You didn't? Really?
It wasn't on record. Now it is.
I guess you
Oh
have
shit,
to-
okay. So, we just got back to the car
Yeah, okay.
and I carried a boat to the car.
You carried a boat to the car?
I carried a goat to the car when I was on a boat. I keep changing those words. And then while we were on the boat, we wanted to say something, but we couldn't because we couldn't be rude. And so my take was the person wouldn't shut up. He kept saying things that were absolutely not true. Every single thing he's done, no, I don't believe you. I've done a lot of stuff and I haven't done every single thing. And listen, he was trying to impress somebody, I could tell, but she actually had multiple degrees and works in information technology. What's your take?
I thought he made too many noises with his mouth and that none of them were words that made sense.
It's like that song, I'm a Boss,
I'm a boss.
from A Lonely Island.
Yeah.
And then he said, really? You flew a rocket into the sun?
And he looked like Chris Elliott,
Yeah.
cabin boy.
We had a really good time. Thank you. What's it called?
Boats and Goats and
Who
Hoes.
produced it?
This was put on by Fun with Goats from Currituck, North Carolina,
Mm-hmm.
and Rudy Tours from Virginia Beach. Rudy Tours is a great local company,
Mm-hmm.
and I highly recommend going fishing with them.
They did not pay us to say that. We've been on a lot of their events. We went on the booze cruise, the boats and goats. Paul goes on the bigger fishing trips, and what?
I've been on many, I've been on the big fishing trips several times and lots of little fishing trips. Always good time. It seems expensive, but when you actually break it down by
Yeah.
the amount of hours you're on the boat, like it's like less than $10 an hour to be on most
Oh.
of these trips.
Wow.
So-
They did a lot of work too.
Yeah.
And they had alcohol and corn dogs. It's not for me, but for some people, corn dogs really makes the night.
She's lying. She won the corn dog eating competition on the boat.
Yeah, I mean, I did, but you know.
Sticks and all.
All right. We'll see y'all later. Bye.
I want to go have a fun time in the pool with that guy swimming with
Oh my
his shirt
God,
on.
y'all ready? What the?
Please do not climb on artwork.
Can I touch? Wow. That's really something.
It's art.
These fish are coming out of the dirt. They're mud carp.
Yeah.
Hey there, buddy. Wow, I think this one's my favorite.
Because he's crooked.
I like the colors.
Oh.
I like his devil eyes.
I was gonna buy a Huck shirt that looked like that once.
We couldn't though, because Sensations kind of sucks. Yes, we said it.
Effing Sensation.
They didn't pay us for that. You can't see much. It's a little dark tonight. There's some stars, but
I feel like when I was a kid, roller skates were much noisier.
yeah. Well, because they were metal.
Yeah, they really were. Actually.
They tied on.
I had those.
You want to go on the beach? No.
Nah. Not in the sneakers.
All right, I'm gonna stop. Wow, what are you doing?
Probably making a horrible mistake.
Wow, look at this. It's water. There's a kayak. There's a life preserver. Come on. Some water. Where are we?
Lake Whitehurst?
Lake Whitehurst.
I never heard of it before we drove past it. I never noticed it. Alright, I'm nervous.
Are you? Yeah.
I could potentially lose all of this right now. And have to swim back to shore.
Wow.
I I have no training.
Do you want me to hold a string in case it starts sinking?
Here, you can walk out there with the front holding this line. Walk out that way.
Come here. And Violet's here, by the way. BTW. Come on.
Behind the scenes.
Come here. Oh, look at me holding a string. Wow. That's some nice water. It's already going underwater. Good God.
Held up.
Huh?
The back is held up.
Ugh.
Look, it's floating it.
Oh my God. Ugh.
Alright. Let's put it later in the water.
I have it. Wow, look at that. Okay, well, I'll be in here.
Woo! Scared. I gotta admit, I'm a little nervous here.
What are your emotions? Nervous?
Told you. What else?
What else?
Nervous.
Excited, maybe?
Nervous?
Just nervous.
Pretty much.
How's the water?
It's not bad. Can you go a little further out?
Sure. Come here.
I'm gonna drop the dry, man. I think it's deep enough here.
Aw, hell. Hold on, babe.
Alright, now I gotta try and climb in this thing. I don't know how to do it.
Not sure how to help. Oh!
Well, here's the moment.
Oh, shit. Oh my God, you did it!
It looks so bad.
Look how graceful you are.
This life really sucks.
Yeah, that does suck. That's very thick. So, do you want the string? Or do you want me to keep holding it?
Hold on,
Just in case?
just in case. Still adjusting stuff. I think I gotta loosen the flip flops.
Not your flippy floppies.
Still got my Sunstrong sock.
Oh, wow. I'll get them.
Alright. Oh shit.
What?
I didn't untie my rudder.
Oh.
Which I need to be able to drop.
Don't jump in there.
Yeah, right. Shit, I think I gotta get out.
Really?
Yeah. Whoop. Can't untie it. Wait, I think I got it. Maybe. Aha.
Look at you.
Okay, it's already down.
Oh.
Alright.
Are you excited?
Nervous.
Great success. Do you need me to throw this rope to you?
I'm gonna paddle out a little bit, then I'm gonna try and use the drone.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, throw the rope in. Thank you.
Bon voyage. I wish I would have had some champagne to break on it.
I don't know if you should break champagne against the plastic bag.
Okay. It would have been figurative. I would have opened it and drank it. It would have been a figurative champagne break.
Here we go. Paddle.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. What a fucking cracker. Wow.
Alright, over my head.
Oh my God.
Well, it's floating nice.
Ah! Oh, look at that. It's a little fucking rudder. We're not allowed to say that on the internet, are we? Wow.
This is a terrible idea. Shit.
Put her in the space she can sit.
I can't take her out there. I'm not gonna take her out there. I mean, I'm comfortable right now, but there's still a likelihood they'll hit. And unfortunately, I can't save her and me.
All right.
Where are we going?
The Bluebird Gap Petting Farm.
Huh.
I don't think it's called that.
They just called Bluebird Gap Farm.
Oh.
It's right there on that sign.
Oh.
Let's gonna read the rules.
No. I ain't following no rules.
No bicycles, no rollerblade scooters.
Did you take a break?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So this, Rachel, what kind of animal is this?
It's a bulbous dickneck.
A bulbous dickneck.
Look at that.
And where are bulbous dicknecks from?
Usually Chile
Chile,
and Barcelona.
Barcelona.
I have no idea why there's one in Hampton.
They are venomous.
Yeah, terrible. They actually spit
They spit
poison
venom.
from that little dick neck.
The dickneck has.
Hence the name.
It's a venom squirter.
It sounds like You don't want to hear that noise. If you do, run.
They really like to spit it right in your eyes too.
Especially on your hair.
What's that creature called?
Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna go through that one.
Two-legged asshole. So these appear to be rabbits of some variety. Rachel, what can you tell us about these rabbits?
Wobbly trench butts.
Wobbly trench butt rabbits.
You can milk them and eat them.
How many gallons of milk will each produce in a day?
17. It's sometimes really
There's
too
17
overwhelming.
gallons of milk per day.
Very overwhelming. You have very strong hands if you raise these.
Their tiny nipples make it hard.
So hard. That's nice. They come in many colors.
Many colors.
Each one gives a different color milk.
Unfortunately, due to the limited nature of human eyesight, we only see them in these three colors.
But what they have is alpha,
They
which
have a
represents their
xylophone.
natural color.
Yeah. Huh. So over here we have a Bavarian vampire bat
Yeah.
out in the daytime.
That's really shocking. I bet it's hurt.
Yeah, it's probably hurt. They're
What do they
very rare in these parts.
What do they eat?
Blood. They like regular blood and blood oranges.
There's
actually.
two of them.
Yeah, they're usually found in pairs.
Wow.
Although occasionally you can find one in an apple.
There's
There's
three.
some more. There's
4 or 5?
so there's 5. Oh, there's another one over there. There's definitely going to be a vampire bat stampede
A
soon.
bloodbath.
It's going to be a bloodbath. All right, Rachel, tell us about this animal. What's it called?
It's a scavenging crested hogface.
Scavenging crested hogface.
Do you know anything about them?
I know they are indigenous to New York City.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
They will rob you.
They'll rob you.
They definitely like iPhones
They like iPhones
and gold chains
and gold chains.
and really anything else of value. They're terrible, actually, just terrible. I'm surprised there's one in captivity.
Yeah.
Usually they're in maximum security prisons. You know, like that guy from Frogs that we were.
Hi there. Hi. Bye. Hi. You got something to say? I guess he wants out. You want out. Oh, you want food.
Oh, look at you. Aren't you fancy? Oh my god, we're getting dinner time. Oh my goodness. Hurry, find one.
want that one. I want that one. I want the blue bowl. No, Chuck, this is your bowl.
Oh my god.
Fred, that's my bowl.
Wow, they are. I bet they have charming personalities.
Not from what I can see. What's this guy?
What is it? You know more about these than I do.
This is a flying fish. Usually found in the ocean. Flying fish are known to headbutt boats.
So hungry, look at them. They all answer that.
All animals answer.
Look at the lips.
Hold on, look at all these things. Apparently this is a horse.
Oh.
We are not supposed to feed a horse named Mayflower.
Tailless horse.
Huh.
I like that. Another dog? Alright.
Another donkey.
I think I need to escape.
Okay. Well, here, how about this donkey? How about this donkey?
I already pet it.
Hi, donkey.
I give me ear scratches.
Hi.
Hi.
You gonna spit on me? Wanna say hi?
Hi.
Donkey ears.
Alright.
Hi, sweet boy. Sweet girl. Not stopping. A little closer to her.
No.
Hi, sweet girl. I guess you can't get into the other fields. They don't seem to have as many exhibits as they used to. Hi, pretty girl. Are you bored? Are you bored, miss?
You're over it. That horse is so over it. Hi.
Hi, sweet girl.
Pet the horsey. Oh, Monkey's going over there. You might be scared of it.
Yeah, look at his tail.
Goats, goats,
Oh, he just did. He just flopped it.
floppy cows.
Hi.
Hi, you.